Hey guys, just wanted to show you what I've got going on here. Got my 2015 F-150 and I'm trying to fix the seat belts. I just repaired the driver's side. As you can see, the seat belt snaps right back like it's supposed to. Pulled this guy out. Here's what the assembly looks like. And now I'm about to go do the other side. Here's what the other side is doing. It just won't suck back in. I tried cleaning it, tried some other things that people recommended online, and just determined that the whole assembly needs to be replaced. I also looked into rebuilds, which means you'd have to disassemble the whole thing, send it in, get it rebuilt, and get it back in, wait for shipping on all of that, and I just decided not to. So I wanted to be able to do it all in one day. The tricky part was finding the right part number. What's nice is that the Ford dealership was able to search by VIN number and give me the exact part that I needed. The other thing that was tricky is knowing what to call it, and it's called a pretensioner. I looked at retractor assembly, looked at a bunch of different things, and this is what you want. So check based on your VIN number, and that'll get you the right color of belt and the right assembly that you need. Step one is going to be to move my seat all the way forward, and I'm just going to work on it from the back side. It's actually super easy to disassemble and reassemble. All I needed was a 15mm socket. I had the U-joint just to make it a little easier. My impact driver with an attachment, and then a T50 star wrench and a little screwdriver to pop off the connections, and that's it. Just pop off this plastic piece. You can give it a little pry and it should pop off. Pull out these pieces. You can just grab and pull and they snap off. This piece, same thing, you can grab and pull. It snaps off and you can see the whole assembly right there. Couple of bolts and we'll have it in. Same thing with the front here. I'm able to just pry and pull this piece off. And then this whole plastic panel can just be pulled out of the way. This piece just snapped right out. And then there's a little piece here that has some tabs down below. And as I was able to kind of push down and pry it outward, and now it just comes off. And that will allow me to get this plastic panel off by feeding the seatbelt cable right through that groove. I got all the snaps off, fed that cable through the little groove there, and now that piece is completely removed. And we have total access to the pretensioner assembly. So we're going to pull out these two bolts, and we're going to pull out this one using the star wrench, and then we're going to pop out these connections. There's a connection here on the side, and you have to pop the clip out before you can remove that. And then there's another cable right there, same thing, pop the clip. I'll show you that. All right, I got these bottom two bolts out, and now this assembly just lifts right up and out. And then I got to disconnect the cable there. So I just use the screwdriver to pop this tab, and then that entire connection will just lift right out. All right, I've got the whole assembly out. The driver's side did not have this little clip securing the cable, So I just had to kind of force and pry that out, but everything else is the same. Okay, that's it. Now this side's working just like the other. Snaps back like it should. Plugs right in. Awesome.